A property has a market value of $50,000, is assessed at 18% of market value, and taxed by the county at a rate of $75 per $1,000 valuation. If the city received $10 for each $75 of taxes collected by the county, how much does the city receive? Well, first of all, you got to get the assessed value. So you take the $50,000 times the 0.18, which is equal to $9,000. And then it's asking how much would the city receive? So you take the $1,000, you divide it by 10 to get 100. Then you take that 9,000 divided by 100 to get the $90, which is what the city will receive. All right, that's that problem. Okay, Ben and Becky purchased a home for $250,000. They have an LTV of 80%. How much of a down payment did Ben and Becky make? This is one that's pretty easy. You take the $250,000 and put it in the left part of the T graph, and then you take the 100% minus 0.80 or 80% to equal 20%. And then on the top of the T graph, you put 250,000 times 0.20 times 0.20 is equal to 50,000. So this one is pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. I don't think I've. So yeah, this one is pretty easy. Just take the 250,000 times 0.20 to get 50,000, and that's the down payment. All right, going to the next one. All right, y'all, we're doing another problem. It's prepaid interest. It says using 360-day calendar, the purchaser is taking out a $70,000 loan at 9%. How much prepaid interest is due at closing? First, you take the 70,000 times 9%, you get $6,300. Then after you take the $6,300 divided by 360. That'll equal to 17.5 days. And you take that 1750 multiplied by 12, you get $210. And that's how much prepaid interest is due at closing. And in this problem, I know in North Carolina, you would debit the buyer. Well, yeah, you would debit the buyer. And that's how you do that problem. All right, now we're going to do a depreciation problem. On January 1st, Fred buys a residential rental property for $300,000 with land accounting for 20% of the value. The IRS allows him to depreciate improvements over 27.5 years. How much can be deducted for this year's depreciation? In order to find this, you take the 300,000 times 20%, which is 60,000. Then after that, you take the 300,000, subtract it from 60,000 to get 240,000. And then you take the 240,000 divided by 27.5, which is equal to $8,727.27. This is the amount he can deduct for this year's depreciation. And that's how you do that problem. Give you a few moments to write it down so you can have it for your records. or take a picture. All right, this is the last one I'm doing today. Always remember the T charts: commission, annual taxes, annual interest. Always remember commission equals sales price times rate of commission. The sales price equals commission divided by the rate of commission. And then the rate of commission equals the commission divided by the sales price. Here. Yeah. Okay, and then you do the same for annual taxes. Annual taxes equals to the assessed value times the tax rate. The assessed value equals the annual taxes divided by the tax rate. And then the tax rate is equal to the annual taxes divided by the assessed value. And also for annual interest equals the principal amount divided by the rate. The principal amount equals the annual interest divided by the rate. And the rate equals the annual interest divided by the principal amount. All right, that is the rest of this class. You all have a great rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.